what's up, guys? I'm working on an emblem that I'm making for 1957 Chevy Billet, which the owner, which is a really good customer, want us to put his favorite verse of the Bible and the emblem, which is basically John 3:16, and we're more than happy to make one for him. So here I already have some of the dimensions on it. And that's some of the layers that goes into the pot. So as you can see, this is what was on the car before. It's just a sticker. It looks good, it's really good. It's got the John 3:16, but it's flat, it's a sticker. We put the original piece on it with our own custom 3D emblem to replace the logo. To actually change those panels, you do have to remove the inside panel, the seat, and then the rest is to the outside, under the car, under the fender well and the back quarter panel. So you got to do some disassembly to change the panel. That's what we're doing. Alright, I'm gonna put some tape to hold the moldings, so when I remove the nuts, they don't fall to the ground and get scratched. That's enough to protect the molding from falling. So here's the new piece. Already with the emblem on. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna hold it with tape at the beginning so we can secure and then put the trims back on. Alright, so as you can see on this side, we don't have an access door like on the other side, which you have the gas tank. So in this one, we're gonna have to remove the top trim, so we can remove this trim, so we can remove this other trim, so we can get to the screw on this side of the molding. There you go. Okay, we got the screw. On this side, the sticker under is showing. So I'm gonna remove and trim it a little so you don't see the actual sticker in the back. All right, guys, here we have it. The 57 Belair that we were making the custom pieces with the John 316 emblem that he wanted to put. We actually changed the whole panel because what he had before was a sticker. He wanted to have the actual original piece on it, and we grabbed it, removed the original emblem, make our own custom emblem with the John 316, and here's the finished product.